In a maximum security prison, there was an inmate named Marcus. He had been in and out of jail his entire adult life and had earned a reputation as a hardened criminal. One day, Marcus was approached by a group of volunteers who wanted to teach inmates about the power of forgiveness. Marcus scoffed at the idea, convinced that he was beyond redemption. But as the volunteers continued to visit, Marcus started to open up. He shared the painful truths about his past, the mistakes he had made, and the regrets that weighed heavily on his heart. As he listened to the volunteers' stories of forgiveness and redemption, Marcus began to see a glimmer of hope. Maybe, just maybe, he wasn't beyond redemption after all. Years went by, and Marcus served his time. But when he was released, he made a vow to himself. He would never forget the lessons he had learned in prison, and he would do everything in his power to make amends for the mistakes of his past.